What it do, Ken Folk? It's your boy, your lane Chief. About to make a beat. Eating some oatmeal with a chill vibe. So I want to make a chill beat. Get a little scoop of this. Just straight cinnamon. I had this sound right here. I was messing with that. It's really a loop. Yeah, that's the loop. But you know, I just cut it to one sound so I can make something chill like that. Had to turn the tempo down so you know, I can get it cracking at a cool little speed. Get my head bob. I'm gonna crank it up a little bit. Know they been watching me. Know they been watching me. I know they been watching Chief. Nigga just too elite. Show you how I go in here and just take these sounds out, making my own sample. Yeah. Patient, waiting. You gotta be patient. Yeah. You got time to be patient. I'ma get my right here. I'ma get, you know, like yeah. Like yeah. Like yeah. I'ma get it like yeah. Like that, hey, Bobby B, hey. End of the day, I'm gone. Bitch, we slam, get stoned, my niggas get down. They rich brown, I'ma hit it like rounds. Yeah, I already know what nigga been on. I'ma start this bitch. go. Hey, had to find it. Had to find it. Hey. Got this to the base. The bass. I think. Had to go back in my bankroll. Had to spend it all on you, girl. Yeah, you deserve the world. That's basically a beat, bro. I can break down sounds and let y'all hear it. Let the beat build. Let the beat build. Let the beat build. We build. The beat build. Hey, back to the clap. Back to the clap. Back to the clap. Back to the clap, 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 back to the clap. Of course, you can add more to the beat, but you know, you already got how your melody is. Hey, ooh, Lil Chuck, Lil Chuck, Lil Chuck, yeah, nigga can't work, to what, nigga, nigga look, bag up, get scuffed, nigga don't want no tough, hey, little kick, 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 hey, now pause on nigga. Big kick, bass. That go like, bang. That go like, bang. That go like, bang. That go like, bang. That go like, hey. Go like, hey. Hey. Yeah. What it be? Come with you. Rolling weed every day of the week. It's that easy, man. That easy, man. You know what to do, man. Hit that link. Find out more information, man, that you need to know, man. Hit me up. If you need something, you need a video made, holla at me. Yeah.